My name is Krista Reese. I'm from Earlville, Iowa, and then I'm in the dental assisting program here at Hawkeye. I had orthodontic treatment when I was a kid. Just kind of made me interested on like, oh, what are you doing that for? What tool is that? Just started asking questions at a young age, and it sprung an interest in me. I currently am on the hygiene wait list. That's the one thing, is that it's a little bit longer, so either I had to choose to take a gap year or I just decided to apply for assisting. It's still something I was very much interested in and was willing to learn. So I applied last spring and I got in right away, probably within a week or two. I got the A-OK that I was doing it, so I just went into assisting. It's an 11-month program and it's very fast-paced, a lot of information, but it's efficient. I think the most challenging part is it is a lot of work, and it's a lot of after hours, like in your room at night, studying, trying to learn your material, and that means that your social life can also suffer. Like first semester, I spent a lot of time in my room studying, putting in the hours, and all my other friends would go out, but that's what you need to do to be successful, is put in the hours that nobody sees and to work hard. So once I graduate, I'll be moving to the Cedar Rapids area and getting a job, and just waiting to see when I get into hygiene. I would be open to doing business classes for doing like the administrative side of dental practices, and hopefully I'll be moved back home at that point and just practicing. I don't know if I do anything differently. I do know I would tell myself not to be as hard on myself that I have been these past 2 years. My first year here at Hawkeye, I just did prerequisite courses for hygiene, and then I came into assisting. My first year I wasn't as hard on myself. I was like, oh, they're just prereqs, like not that big of a deal. But then I got into my program and I said, okay, we need to get serious. We need to like figure out what we're doing. And I don't think you have to do anything different. I've loved it. You know you love what you're going to do when you actually enjoy going to classes and you don't dread doing your homework or putting in your study hours. So I'm hard on myself, but I also enjoy what I've been learning this year.